want to talk now about metadata and templates, because templates occur in a variety of places within Lightroom. So we're in the grid mode now, and I've highlighted this group of images here, and typically what I do is I have, if you go down to on the right hand side, you got a bunch of panels. If you go down, actually let me tell you something about panels. If you click on the name of any panel, you'll get a right click, I'm sorry, you'll get a little drop down menu like that. And if you don't want to be scrolling through all your panels all the time, if you click on solo mode, everything closes except the current panel that you're in. And then when you click on a different panel, that opens and everything else closes. So it's a quick way to hop around and get between two different things. But I want to go over. How did you do that? You right click on any of those panel headers. Okay, so I have a couple of copyrights depending on who I shoot it for, or if I have somebody shooting for me. But if you want to make your own, you go down to Edit Presets, and you get a dialog box, and you can fill it out with your own name, and any place you have a check mark is a field that's going to get filled out. And so if you happen to have some, this sort of goes back to your question before, if you have, not keywords, but as far as information in your template, if you have anything there now and it is in one of these fields that is checked, it's going to be overwritten when you use this particular field. Right over here in metadata, the preset, it's the drop-down menu. And down at the bottom of that, if you tap on Edit Presets. And you can fill out your own. I strongly recommend everybody make out one for their copyright info and your contact information, and save it, call it copyright, or put your own name, copyright, whatever. And then anytime you apply images to Lightroom, a global import, bring your copyright info in. That's the best way to make sure images are marked as yours.